We have a much bigger goal than winning here. A much bigger goal. Dit was een vrede samenlewing.
God have mercy upon us.
Hulle kan maar die fucking army bring in. Nobody is gonna stop this fucking machine.
Zijn mal! Mal!
So here's what we do. We're gonna celebrate tonight. But remember, as wegsluit die week. Maar hy sluit nie wat julle by geëet het. Ek smaak 'n kap lug aan die wegvoer.
Itu.